Okay, let's welcome to this playlist. In this playlist, we are going to discuss about MHZ, MHZ 3310, MHZ 3310, which is calculus 1, calculus 1, calculus 1. This playlist, we are going to study about MHZ 3310, which is calculus 1, Department of Mathematics and Philosophy of Engineering. Uh, this is engineering mathematics. Okay, this is the engineering mathematics. We are going to study about engineering mathematics in this playlist. First, let's discuss about the first question. Okay, the first question is prove that prove that prove that P minus Q P minus Q union R P minus Q union R is equal to P minus Q P minus Q intersect this union this is intersect P minus Q intersect P minus R P minus R. Now we have to prove that P minus Q union R is equal to P minus Q intersect P minus R. Okay, now in this video we are going to discuss about, we can prove in two ways. Now we are going to prove in two ways. Okay, two methods. Uh, for example, well, we can prove that now we can get the first method is P minus Q. We can get the P minus Q union R. Sorry, P minus Q union R. We can prove that first we can take the P minus Q R and we can prove that P minus Q which is P minus Q intersect P minus R. Other what is the other method? Other method is we can take this part P minus Q intersect P minus R is equal to we can take this and we can prove that this is equal to P minus Q union R. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about method 1, which is now we are going to take the first part P minus Q union R. Okay, now we are going to take this P minus Q union R. Now we have to prove that P minus Q union R is equal to P minus Q intersect P minus R. In next video we will discuss, we will take this part, second part, and we will prove that which is equal to this second part is equal to P minus Q union R. Okay, okay, now method 1, P minus Q union R. Okay, P minus Q union R. Before going to the question, uh, what is A minus B? What is A minus B? A minus B is equal to A intersect B dash. A minus B is A minus B is equal to A intersect B dash. This is very important. Please memorize this. Okay. A minus B is equal to A intersect B dash. For example, this is A. Okay. This is B. Okay. This is A. This is B. What is our question is A minus B. Therefore, what is A minus B? This is the okay. Uh, okay. Now I'm coloring the A minus B in yellow color. Okay, this yellow part is the A minus B because this whole part is A. Whole part is A. The small part is B. Small circle is B. Big circle is A. Now A minus B is A without B. A without B is the meaning. A without B. That is A intersect B dash. B dash, what is B dash? B dash is out of B. B dash is out of B. Uh, for example, this is the, if this is a universal set, uh, B dash is everything. All are B dash. This is the B dash. What is A? A is all the thing, including B also. But this is A, no. This is A. The big circle is A. Everything inside the big circle is A. B dash is out of B, out of everything out of B. Therefore, what is a intersection? A intersect, what is A minus B is this part. Okay. A, what is A intersect B dash? Therefore, this is A. B dash is out of B. Therefore, where the A and where the A, this A and this B dash will intersect in this place. This is B dash. B dash is out of B. Out of B is B dash. Okay. Out of B is B dash. I write again. A. This is A. This is B. Okay. This is A. This is B. Now B. What is B dash? B dash is out of B. Out of B. Everything out of B is B dash. Okay. This is the B dash. Everything including A also. What except B. B. This is the B dash. We already know B dash. Okay. What is A? A is this. A is this green part is everything inside the A is everything including B is A inside the A circle. Therefore, what is A intersect B dash? What is A intersect B dash? Which is this is A B dash means intersect where where the A and B dash will intersect. A and B dash intersect. That is A intersect B dash. A minus B. Okay. This is the don't confuse. Okay. A minus B is equal to A intersect B dash. A minus B. A minus B. A B. Okay. This is A. This is B. What is A minus B? Now we have to subtract B from A. Therefore, A intersect B dash. Therefore, we can write A minus B as A intersect B dash. Okay. A minus B is A intersect B dash. You must memorize this. Okay. It's very important. If you don't understand the proof, small proof, don't confuse. Okay. Please memorize this. A minus B is equal to A intersect. A minus B is equal to we subtract B from A. That is A intersect B dash. Because we subtract minus B. That is B dash. Okay. Now let's move to the question. We we take the first part to prove, that is P minus Q union R. This is the method one. In next video we can discuss about the method two. P minus Q union R. How can I write this? A minus B is equal to A minus B is equal to A intersect B dash. A minus B is equal to A intersect B dash. Therefore, P minus Q union R is equal to. Let's see this. Let's please see this Q union R as B. Okay. Now this is B. This is P. P. This is minus. Okay. This is B. This is minus. This is B. Okay. Therefore, P minus B. What is P minus B? P minus B is equal to P intersect B dash. P intersect B dash. Therefore, how can we write the P minus Q union R? P intersect Q union R dash. Okay. P minus Q union R is equal to P intersect Q union R dash. We subtract Q union R from P. That is P intersect Q union R dash. We don't need to memorize this. Okay. This is very simple. If you please understand. If you understand, you can quickly write this. Okay. This very simple thing. Very general knowledge. Okay. P intersect Q union R dash. Now P intersect I get according to the De Morgan's law. Do you know the De Morgan's law? De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. In our engineering mathematics, we mostly we, there is two laws in the De Morgan's law. That is, one is De Morgan's first law. second one is De Morgan's second law. But mostly we don't write about De Morgan's whether it is De Morgan's first law or second law. We commonly write that De Morgan's law. Here P in the Q union R days no. Okay. What is according to the De Morgan's law? If I if I want to tell you exactly, according to the De Morgan's first law, okay, first law, P intersect. How can I write this Q union R days according to the De Morgan's first law? That is Q days. I have to supply this days to everything. If I supply this days to Q, that is Q days. If I supply this U to U, this U, so if I supply this U, this if I supply this days to this U, it will change to intersect because U dash is intersect. Okay, U dash is N, for example. Okay, U dash is N. U dash U union index complement complement of U or in dash of U is intersect. N dash is equal to U, which means intersect intersect dash or complement of N is U. Okay, very simple. Okay, for example, the opposite of U is intersect. The opposite of intersect is union. The opposite of union is intersect. The opposite of intersect is union. Okay, which is very simple. Now P intersect. How can we write this? Now we are supplying this dash to everything. Okay, Q dash. We have to because this dash is common for this this part included which is included in parentheses circle brackets. Okay, yeah, well, I have supplied days to q days for complement of u. I'm going to supply this days to u. Therefore, what is the opposite of union? That is intersection. Now what is now I have to supply this days to r. Therefore, q intersect r days. Okay, please write this uh, the low in circle brackets. Okay, circle brackets near to this our derivation. Okay, therefore examiner will understand. We have understood the theory. Okay, it's very sometimes they may give marks to this law. uh, Please write this law. Okay, how did we derive this equation? We derive this equation using De Morgan's law. That's why we write here the De Morgan's law. Therefore, P intersect Q dash intersect R dash. Now P intersect Q dash intersect R dash. How did I write this? Because intersect is intersection is intersection is like multiplication. Okay, union is like plus uh, common intersection is like multiplication cation. Union is like plus, that is summation or addition, summation or addition. Okay, therefore p if I, for example, 1 into, for example, let's go right now. Okay, please. Okay, okay. If I discuss in same slate, it will very ugly. Therefore, I use new slide to this. Just wait a moment. Okay, now discuss about uh, for example, 1 into 2 into 4 is equal to 1 into 2 into 4 is equal to 1 into 2 into 4. No, well, everything here also what is 1 into 2 into 4? What 1 into 2 into 4 is 1 into 8, which is 8. Here also 1 into 2 into 4 is 2 into 4. What that is also 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. The same wise, likewise, P intersect Q dash intersect R dash is equal to P intersect Q dash intersect R dash. Because the intersection is like multiplication. Okay, my please understand this. Therefore, now uh, P intersect Q dash intersect R dash. I can get, okay. I can get, if I get 1 into 1 is 1, no? 1 into 1 is 1. Like that, P into P is also P. How? 1 into 1 is 1. P intersection P is P. How? For example, if let's assume that this is the P, okay? This is the set of P. P, P intersection P. P intersection P is what is P? What is the P intersection P? That is also P. P. This is P. This is P. What is the intersection? Same P. That is why like P. Therefore P. Therefore, if now P intersection intersect Q dash intersect R dash. P intersect Q dash intersect R dash. Now we have derived this. Okay. P dash P intersect Q dash intersect R dash. Okay. Okay. Now if I write like this, is it wrong? Please tell me. P intersect Q dash intersect P intersect R dash. Uh, is it wrong? No, it is wrong. It is not wrong because the meaning will not change. For example, this is P intersect Q dash intersect R dash, which is for example, this x okay x okay. What is the results of this? P intersect Q dash intersect P intersect R dash. I P there is no change. Here also the final result will be x because 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, P intersect Q dash. If we add another intersection of P, it will the final result will not change. Like 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, like that. Okay. Now, why did I write like this? Because uh, when we prove anything, always we have to always check about how what how to prove now. Sorry. uh, we when we improving in anything, if we want to prove anything, we have to always watch uh, uh, what to prove, how to prove. For example, now now we take we we took P minus Q union or no. What to prove? What equals we have to prove that which is P minus Q union R is equal to P minus Q intersect P minus R. Therefore, you must always co- uh, 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 consider about the what to prove. Okay. Now we have to prove that P minus Q intersect P minus R. Therefore, oh, when we derive the every equation, we must check that are we going, whether we are going in the right path or wrong path. We have to, we can write anything. Okay. Now here also I can write that P intersect Q days, but I will not write here because we have to prove one thing. Now we are going to we have to go in a correct path. If we go in another path, we will get another result. That is not our question. Therefore, I I intersect here I intersect again by P. Okay, for the question. Now this is P intersect Q dash. This is P intersect R dash. P intersect Q dash intersect P intersect R dash. Now I associate this. This is what is the law? This law is associative law. Okay, Law is associative law. Associative. Uh, okay, associative law. Okay, associative law. Uh, I okay. P I associate P in the secure days and I associate the P and R days. That is the associative law. Okay, associative law. Now, how can write this P? What is P in the secure days? What is P minus Q? We have already discussed very clearly in in this video. In this video, P minus Q. What is P in the secure days? That is P minus Q. P minus Q is P in the secure days. We have discussed that A minus B is equal to A in the sec B days. Okay. P minus Q in the sec. What is P in the sec R days? P intersect R days. That is P minus R. P minus R is equal to P intersect R days. Now, please see the question. We have to prove that P minus Q union R is equal to P minus Q intersect P minus R. No. Now we have proved that. Now we took this equation to prove P minus Q union R. Now we have derived this equation. Now we have received the final answer. P minus Q intersect P minus R. Let's check. Now we derive that P minus Q intersects P minus R. Okay. Now our answer is correct. Therefore, therefore, according to to our proof, P minus Q union R. P minus Q union R is equal to P minus Q intersect P minus R. Okay. Now in this video we have proved that P minus Q union R is equal to P minus P minus Q and P minus R. Okay. In next video we will take this part P minus Q intersect P minus R. We will prove that which is equal to P minus Q union R. Okay. Next video, let's meet. Okay. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and subscribe and please share with your friends. Okay. Thanks so much.